How to fix TikTok effects problem in less than 1 minute. So first thing I want to do guys is open the settings and then go to the apps manager. On the apps manager you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you want to do is click on TikTok app and it will take you into this page. All what you want to do here is click on force stop and then go to the notifications management. Make sure that every notification, every single one is enabled. Go back and click on the storage, click on clear data, clear cache. Go back again and now you have to do one last thing, which is go to the power usage details. And right here make sure to click on the app launch option right here. And then make sure that this manage automatically option is enabled. And last thing you want to do is make sure that you have the latest version of TikTok. And if you don't know how to update it, I'm gonna show you how to do it. Just go to the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone, search for TikTok and click on this update option right here as you can see. Don't forget to like, subscribe.